Constipation, causes, complications, and simple solutions. What is constipation? Constipation means having difficulty in passing stool or having fewer than 3 bowel movements in a week. It can make the stool hard, dry, and painful to pass. Causes of constipation. There are many reasons why constipation happens. Some of the most common causes include low fiber diet, not eating enough fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Not drinking enough water, dehydration makes stools hard and dry. Lack of physical activity, sitting too much and not exercising can slow digestion. Holding stool for too long, ignoring the urge to go to the toilet can lead to constipation. Stress and anxiety, mental stress can affect digestion and bowel movements. Certain medications, some painkillers, antidepressants, and iron supplements can cause constipation. Medical conditions, problems like diabetes, thyroid issues, or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, can lead to constipation. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful health tips. Complications of constipation. If constipation is not treated, it can lead to hemorrhoids, piles, swollen blood vessels in the rectum due to straining. Anal fissures, small tears around the anus due to hard stools. Fecal impaction, a large, hard stool stuck in the rectum, causing pain. Bloating and stomach pain, discomfort due to trapped stool in the intestines. How to manage constipation. 1. Improve your diet. Eat more fiber, add fruits, vegetables, beans, and whole grains to your meals. Drink plenty of water, aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. Avoid processed foods, junk food and sugary snacks can worsen constipation. 2. Stay active. Walk, jog, or exercise for at least 30 minutes daily to help digestion. 3. Go to the toilet on time. Never hold in stool. Go to the toilet as soon as you feel the urge. 4. Manage stress. Practice deep breathing, yoga, or meditation to relax your digestive system. 5. Use natural remedies. Warm water with lemon helps to stimulate the digestive system. Prunes or figs, these are natural laxatives and can help soften stools. 6. Consider medications if needed. If home remedies don't work, mild laxatives or stool softeners can be used with a doctor's advice. When to see a doctor. Visit a doctor if you have severe pain while passing stool. There is blood in your stool. Constipation lasts for more than 2 weeks. You feel weak, tired, or have unexplained weight loss. By making small lifestyle changes, constipation can be easily prevented and treated. A healthy diet, proper hydration, and regular exercise can keep your digestive system working smoothly.